In today's video, I want to show you how you can log in your WhatsApp on your web browser on your computer. Let me say you don't have WhatsApp on your computer, but you feel like you want to browse WhatsApp on your computer. How do you do it? To do it, you will have to log in WhatsApp on your web browser, either Chrome browser or any other browser. Now come on your browser and tap on it to open, and come here on this search bar and type whatsapp.com. When you type on it, click enter. And it brings you into this WhatsApp home page. You can see here download. Maybe if in case you need WhatsApp app and want to install it, click on this download and it will take you into Microsoft Store where you can download WhatsApp. But maybe if you don't want it and you want to browse WhatsApp with computer, now you can comment on this WhatsApp web and tap on it. So it will process and generate a QR code where you will pay with the WhatsApp on your phone. Just hold on. Okay, you can see that it has processed and it has brought in this QR code. So now this QR code, now you will now go to your own WhatsApp on your phone. You go to your phone and tap on your WhatsApp to open. If it opens, you can see here this three line at the top right. Tap on it and you will see here link devices. Tap on it. So right now you will have to link your WhatsApp, or you have to link your device to this computer desktop. So tap on this link a device and go ahead to tap on this use mobile data. Tap on it. Okay, they will ask for your password, so you can use a fingerprint or password. So I'll put my fingerprint here. So after that, it brings this QR code on my phone. So I'll come here and pair my phone QR code with the computer so that I can be able to connect or link this device. Okay, you can see that on the computer now it's loading my chat because it has paired with my phone. So we'll just hold on a bit while the chats are being loaded. Okay, you can see that it's done processing and my chats are all loaded. And here is my WhatsApp. You can see it, right? So here's the chat area. I can come here and click on chat, and all here are my chats or my messages. I can scroll down and see all my chat. You can see them, right? So I can tap on anyone and view chat. And here are my status. I can tap here and view all my WhatsApp status. You can see them, right? I can as well go back to my chat. So let me say I want to chat somebody. I can come on any person I want to chat. I can also scroll down and come on any contact I want to chat. For instance, this contact here, Obina, I just tap on it and go to the person's chat where I can send, come here and type messages and send, for instance. But I won't send message. So if I want to go to the person's profile, I could as well come here, this place, and tap on it and go to the person's profile. I can close it by coming here. But one bad thing about this is that you can't make voice call or video call with WhatsApp web except you download or install the app on your computer. Now to install the app, you can see now if I come to this video call and tap here, they will say make calls with the Windows app. Download WhatsApp for Windows to start making calls. So you can click on this get the app and go to Microsoft Store and install the app. With the app, you can make call, video calls, voice calls, and the rest. But with the WhatsApp web, you can't make video call or voice call. You can only chat, view status, and do some other things. So that's how you can actually log in WhatsApp on your web browser on your computer without having the app installed on your computer. So guys, if this tip was impactful, please make sure you click subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys. Bye.